welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this type of curly hair quickly, because I always try to do videos and then it doesn't send to my grandpa because it's too long. So, Moose, what are you doing? Moose is my dog. Here's all the stuff you need. A hairbrush, a comb that I was just using, and curly hair care. And if you want, you can use whatever products you want, but I use Aussie Free. And then a wet water spray bottle. That's all the stuff you need to get this type of curly hair. And, oh, Moose, you're killing me, bro. So the first thing that I usually use is not Aussie first. Curly hair care. I use it first. I use about that much, and then put it in, and then now it's time for Aussie. That much. Close it. Oh, I forgot to do something. Y'all. So before you do all of those products that I just showed you to do, I want you to first, before you put in these, don't put these in yet. So first you're going to wet your hair, all soaked. And then you're going to put in the products. I forgot, guys. Why did I forget? And then the next thing that you're going to do is grab a comb. And then you're going to go like this. And you go like this. Go like that. And then you're going to go down the middle. And then you're going to brush out again, because you know it's something new. I just did it again, and it's a new type. So that is how you get, well, no, that's not the end. You grab a brush, and then you brush your hair, even though that we just put all the product in. You brush it to make it look straight, and then you go. Boom, 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 and then you have that. Let's do that again. Hold on, I drop my brush. And then you're gonna have the most perfect curly hair in the whole world. So thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all can subscribe to this video, log in YouTube, and get a subscription. And you can make your own YouTube channel. And then you're gonna become famous like me, and then we can chat, and then we can say hi to each other on YouTube videos. You know, just hope you guys liked the video and subscribed, post off that notifications, and give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!